I think the lower part of it, inventory management, channel management, with the invention of AI and better data management, everything can be get away with. Inviting doctors for the CME, at least a part of it can be managed through digital way. Um, and what is more important, Ashish, over here, that everything can be done in a virtual way. If I look at it, celebrating birthdays, celebrating special days, and maybe reporting can be automated if you make a geotagging, and everything is possible. But wherever there is a human touch, wherever there is an one-to-one interaction, that will not be replaced. Maybe later on I will explain you why during the journey of this discussion.
Perfect. So you have made a very strong point, Mehnat, that everything can be replaced with help of technology, but what cannot be replaced is human touch and relationship. That relationship requires a face-to-face interaction, and this definitely cannot be replaced with technology or artificial intelligence or machine learning. I would like to know hear from Goldie. Goldie, what exactly is your take on this? What are the things that you feel will not be existing for 3 or 5 years from now?
So, hi Ashish and hi my
Right.
audience. Hi to